Is your Steam client taking forever to open, freezing when you switch tabs, lagging while browsing the store, or feeling slow every time you use it? This is a common problem, especially if Steam has accumulated a lot of cached data, is running background processes, or is experiencing conflicts with your system settings. The good news is that in most cases, you can make Steam responsive again with a few simple fixes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and speed up a slow and laggy Steam client. First, completely close Steam. Don't just click the X button. Right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit. Then press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and make sure no Steam processes are still running. If you see any Steam-related processes, end them before continuing. One of the most effective fixes is clearing Steam's web browser cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings and select In-Game or Interface depending on your version. Find the option to delete web browser cache and cookies. Over time, this cached data can become large and slow down the client, especially when browsing the store or community pages. Next, check your Downloads settings. Open Steam Settings, go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. This process often fixes slow loading, download issues, and general client sluggishness. If Steam still feels slow, disable unnecessary startup items. Open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable programs you don't need launching with Windows. Too many background applications can consume RAM and CPU resources, making Steam less responsive. Another common cause is hardware acceleration. In Steam settings, look for Interface settings and try disabling GPU accelerated rendering if it's enabled. Some graphics drivers do not work well with Steam's interface, causing lag, flickering, or slow navigation. Restart Steam after changing the setting and see if performance improves. You should also verify that Steam is fully updated. Click Steam and select Check for Steam Client Updates. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Running an outdated client can sometimes cause unexpected slowdowns. If your Steam library is very large, enabling low bandwidth mode or low performance mode in the library settings may help. These options reduce visual effects and can make navigation smoother on older computers. Don't forget to check your storage drive. If Steam is installed on a nearly full or failing hard drive, performance can suffer significantly. Ensure you have adequate free space and consider moving Steam to an SSD if it is currently installed on a traditional hard drive. If none of these fixes work, try repairing the Steam installation. Press Windows plus R, type steam://flushconfig, and press Enter. This refreshes Steam's configuration files without removing your installed games. Afterward, restart Steam and log in again. To summarize, close all Steam processes, clear the web browser and download cache, disable unnecessary startup programs, test hardware acceleration settings, update Steam, check your storage drive, and refresh Steam's configuration if necessary. These steps solve most cases of a slow and laggy Steam client. I hope this tutorial helped you speed up Steam and improve its performance. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more PC troubleshooting tips, gaming guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.